Hello, hello. Uh, Damn. Am I live? I think I'm live. How do I check? I am live. Okay, sick. Uh, where is? Damn, what? It's not capturing the window? Okay, cool. Bro, is it not capturing the window? Like, what are we doing? Nope. Okay, oh, that's why. Is it because of that? No. Wait. Okay, there we go. Okay, whatever. I guess that works. I'll just bring these tabs in. Okay, sick. All right. So this is day one of locking in. Um, I'm probably gonna be doing some leak code. I'll see what the best, or I'll see what I could do, but hopefully I could get through a few before um, I have to search things up. I low-key might have to do it in Java because Python is not my strongest right now. Either that or I do this Python course I found on Codecademy. It is 3 hours. Hmm. I'll see if I could do this first. Okay, to sum. Given an array of integers nums and an integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. Okay. You may assume that each would have exactly one solution and you may not use the same element twice. Okay, so you have an input of nums and then the target. Definitely some for loops. You're gonna see. Hmm, let me try in Java first, actually. into some int nums, so an array of nums and then the target. So let's do for int I equals 0, right? And I is less than, oh my goodness, what was nums? How do you find, or not, no, how do you find nums, but like, what is it? The number of nums, or the number of integers in this array. Oh shoot. How do you, what is that operation? No. Let me set up a timer. Let me do 20 minutes. Hmm. Honestly, let me do 10 minutes for now. Because I do have to go in a bit. Int I equals 0. I is less than something. Nums. Num something, and then be I plus plus. So that's, I'm not sure about this, but that's the start. So then you have to check, now you have to check each int. So probably if I would need two for loops actually. So for int j equals 0, isn't it I is less than nums? Num something. J plus plus. No. BJ. J nums. And then it'd be if nums j is equal to, oops, if nums j is equal to, it's target minus nums I, right? Then you return. How much time do I have left? I have 6 minutes. Oh, it's only been 4 minutes. Okay, return What is it supposed to return? Return. No, it's not even return. Would it be system dot out dot print? Because this is Java. It's not Java. Does Java? No, Java does have return. System dot out dot print. Yeah. And then it'd be this. No, that plus it'd be nums I plus comma space plus nums j plus and be the end of the bracket. It'd be something like this. If I do like if I submit, it's not gonna be right. I know this is not gonna be right. Yeah. Oh shoot. Syntax. Submit. The operand. Binary operand. Yes. It's gotta be something with this. Ah. Damn, 0 viewers. GG's. Well, um, that one viewer might have been me. Bro. Four. Let me do a hint. Oh, I just don't know the syntax. I'm actually like fully stuck on the syntax. Okay, I'm just gonna search up some syntax. How to get how to get length. Oh, is it just is it nums dot length? Nums dot combinable types cannot. Oh, it's equals. Is wait, am I dumb? Is this JavaScript? Is it just return? me just do nums I and nums j. Let me just do this. Ah, okay. Just as a test to see if. Let me just return nums I. Okay, is something wrong with return? Is it just print? No, I don't think it's print. Oh. What was the syntax for it again? Oh my goodness, I'm cooked. I'm so cooked. Uh, I'm just gonna do. Let me see. Oh, okay. It's I plus one. That makes sense. That makes sense. It's return new. What? Return new? Return new? Return new int. So it's returning a new array. Yeah. Wait, I might be stupid. Did it say you can return an answer by order? Uh, this would be I plus one. Makes sense because it has to be the next one over. Yeah. Int not gonna be j. Is it that? Then it's just I and j. Why is it just I and j? Okay, it returns target. Okay, so it just returns the index. Why would you want the index? Why wouldn't you? Well, I was close. I was really close to doing this all by myself. I figured out length. If I could have just remembered I needed the base case. Runtime. The runtime is not good. This is n squared, I think. Right? Solutions. Yeah, n squared, which is very bad. Hash table. Oh no. I remember learning about hash table. It's been so long since I've done a hash table. One pass hash table. What? This would be O(n), right? Yeah. The thing is, they don't have a solution for they only have Python 3, which is Python 3 the same as Python? Let me see. Uh, they should have a Python here. Beats 100%, beginner friendly, one approach, one pass hash map. So yeah, that's just hash map. For I num. Let me see if I could just code my solution or this solution in Python because I'll use this as a guide because I actually need to learn Python, relearn Python. Oh my goodness, get that out. So for for I, do I need to create in in Python? For loops in Python. For fruit in fruits. For fruit. Okay, interesting. Interesting. For I and A, print I. Okay, so I could just say for I in nums. I could just say that. Interesting. For I and S, I need the colon. Nums, and then for J. How would you make J I plus 1 in this case? In would it just be for J equals I plus 1? That in nums? Would that be it? If for IJ, IJ range. IE. Okay, Python, because this is just the same Geeks for Geeks one. I for I range. j equals, would it be this nums j? Is that the same? Arrays Python. Yeah, it'd be the same. Okay. Nums j equals target minus nums I. Right. Print. Print new. Oops. I didn't know Edge did this. Would it just be r.array? Well, this dot array. And nums dot array ij. This is good. This is gonna be wrong. This is for sure wrong. Yeah. What? What even is the syntax here? Because, okay, this is just hash map. I don't want to do hash map just yet. Is there... Oh, in range. Okay. I'd have to do range and then the length. I see. Okay. Did not know that. Nums. This is... I messed up. This is also equals equals. And then I do need a... return. Ah, okay. It would just be return ij. Okay. Okay. And then if nothing is found, you just return that. Okay. Did not know how to do that in Python, but it's all a learning opportunity. So be range nums. Okay. Length dot nums. Oh no, just len. I plus one. That's where the plus one goes. Okay. There we go. Sick. Add two numbers. Okay. You are given two non-empty linked lists. Oh, linked lists. Oh, it's so cooked. Two, four, three. What? What does this even read? You were given two. Damn, I might be cooked. Just realized that the screen is overflowing. Well, I guess it's just gonna be a black bar in the middle. Or under. That's fine. Okay. Oh, linked lists. Now I'm gonna skip this one. Let me go for another easy one. Palindrome number. Given an integer x, return true if x is a palindrome, false otherwise. Okay. Okay, cool. Let me see if I could solve this in Java first. Do I have to turn the int into a string? Or not a I be because is there a way to check if an int's first number is equal to an int's second number? Damn, I have to reverse this. To string. String. Is there reverse? String. to string. Integer dot to string. I see. Okay. And then I have to reverse it and then check if each thing in the string is equal. If it is, then return true. If not, return false. The operations of doing that though. Damn. It's been like, what, 3 years since I've done this? Oh my goodness. Is there just an operation to reverse a string in Java? No. Char array. Chart I. I see. Okay. Int I is less than. It was like y is equal to. Okay, after this, I'm just gonna do this, bro. Char at I, like, yeah, I don't remember these operations. I'm gonna just have to take this Codecademy course really quickly to remember. Okay. something. This needs that. If what if x is equal to y, bang. No. Did I misspell it? Oh my goodness. That's right. Is it dot equals x dot equals y dot equals? Is it this? Damn, my syntax does need work, bro. It's not dot equals. Int cannot be dereferenced. Is there a to int? To string to int Java. It's just dot to int. Parse int. Or yeah, string one dot equals. Oh wait, this is a x, so this needs to be s. Don't need this anymore. I was making it way too complicated. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. I just messed this up. But that's Java. I might be cooked if I try to do Python. Oh no. Oh no. So either I try to brute force it with Python, or I do this course. I might just do this course really quickly. need to know that. I already know that. Do I really want to do all that? Why do you do if name equals main? What does that even mean? The main function. Yeah. I don't need to know about comments, bro. Oh, that's how you get an input. Name equals input. Wait, what? Yeah, oh, I see. Yeah. Okay. Oh, that's where fprint is. Okay. Interesting. Name, yeah. Temp. So you don't have to put if it's an int. Okay, when you're declaring a variable, you don't have to put if it's an int, string, or whatever, an array. It's after. I see. So if I were to code this in Python, how do you make just an open variable? String int float bool. Doesn't really save. So x is an int. I know all that already. Okay. Okay, it's the same for percent. Define. If, else if, I already know. If, else if. Okay, so it's just L if. Cool. I see. Okay. Wait, that's so easy then. So S equals string X, Y equals string. Can I just have it blank? Then for I in, what was it? Oh shoot. Range. In range. For I in range. S dot length. Is it the same? Palindrome number. Range. Length. Length and thing. Or len. Len S. Would it be the same? Like close to the same as Java? What would that be though? Char at I. Erase. Is there an operation? No, wait, this. Wait, that's crazy. You just do this? Is that real? Is that real? I have to try that. Wait, that might be crazy. Y equals what? Y equals S. No way that works. If Wait, that actually works is crazy. The way that this actually works is crazy. What if I just do, can I do X here? And instead of S, have this as X, just remove, does that work? No. Yeah, okay. So it needs to be S because it can't do that to a int. Okay, that's cool. Okay, that's pretty cool. I'm actually learning these different operations. That's pretty cool. Like, actually. Add binary. There was one that my friend gave me to do. It was this one. What did I X out of? What is this? Oh, okay. This one. Find closest number to 0. Absolute value. I have to find absolute value. So let me try it in. Do I have time? What time is it? 4:15. I have to go at like 5. I have time. I have time to do one last one. Two people watching. Interesting. Hopefully it's not too boring for whoever's watching. Okay. Given an integer array nums of size n, so definitely I have to get every one of, so I'm gonna need a for loop for sure. I'm gonna need to compare each one. So I'm gonna need to turn each number into or not, I don't, yeah, it's gonna be absolute value. Absolute value in Java though. Java. Is there an operation? Why is it not letting me go down? Hello? Damn, why is Edge so laggy? Math.abs. Does that work? So, 4, definitely 4, int I equals 0, I is less than nums dot int, or no, nums dot length, I plus plus. I'm, what should the output be? Output should be, okay, so int low equals 0, right? If if is it math dot abs nums I is less than low equals nums I, is that it? Then be return low. Is that it? Hmm. Low. What? Okay. What's going wrong here? Oh, I see what went wrong. Should beat this. No. Okay. What is this? So I create the variable low. Maybe I should just do this low. Or would it create an error? Yeah. It creates an error here. Oh, I see where I'm. So I created. So low needs to be turned into. Because low stays zero. Okay. I see where I went wrong. So low, with this implementation, low stays zero and it has to be. So I just create an outlandish number. So this would be solved if I just go like that, right? Does it returns what? What does it return? What does it return? Expected output should be 1 and it was -4. If math.absolute value is okay, wait. Okay, my implementation might be wrong here. It's the absolute value, right? So I create low. I feel like that is correct. Int low. For int I is less than the num. Yeah, okay. So first, int I equals 0, 0. If math low equals nums I, so no. Is my absolute value wrong? Do I have to do I have to import math? I can't use debugger. Okay, cool. Oops. Bro. Okay. What am I doing wrong? Wait. What? It's always so that's -4. What if I make these all negative? Let me remove that one and that one. These two are basically the same. Okay. Let's see. Oh, it doesn't pass. It should be -1, but it's -5. So something here is not clicking where it's not getting the absolute value. Or yeah, I think it's not getting the absolute value. Math.abs. So it's going through the list fine, but it's just not getting the absolute value. Because it needs to be, so once you get the lowest, it should just be less than. Once you get the absolute value of all of these, so it'd be 5, 4. Fuck it. What's the solution here? Yeah, I did that. Pin distance. So he just creates an absolute value. If the absolute value is less than the min distance, or absolute value is equal to the min distance, so all I needed to do was make the absolute value math.abs. Oh yeah, because this is not absolute value. Oh my goodness. That's what math.abs. Wait, no. I see. Okay. Because it says. One, two, yeah. After this, I'm done. Oh my goodness. So I do need both. Loadist, loadist. Or absolute value is equal to. Oh, it needs to get the greater one instead of just the first one. That's why he had the or. Abs equal to. Yeah, num is greater than low. That's why. What? Bro, what's wrong with this? Can I not use and or operations? Oh, oops. For int. Yeah, okay. I just didn't have these two. I've I forgot that I need the absolute value and this, and then I have to check if this absolute value, if the absolute value is equal to load this, and it has to be greater than, uh, no, it has to be greater than the low. Yeah, okay. Oh my goodness. Damn, I'm so Loki. This pooped me out, bro. Holy. Because I don't know. Is brute forcing leak codes better than just doing Codecademy and learning and relearning Python from Codecademy? I'm not sure. Because I want to do projects too, but if I don't have the fundamentals of doing this, how am I supposed to do the project? Like, I already have an idea of a project that I can do. I have an idea for a first project, but hmm. Chat, I'll think about it. So my three options are continue doing leetcode, do Codecademy, or hop into a project. But if I want to do a project without any help or with minimal help, how am I gonna know what to do without like AI or whatever? So that is the problem I'm stuck at. Hmm. All right. Well, I'll just think about it off stream, and whatever I do, uh, that's what I'm gonna do tomorrow. All right. I'll see you later, chat. Two viewers, bro. One of them probably me. One of them's I don't know. Whoever's, if anybody's watching right now, hopefully my streams aren't too boring. Um, but I'll see what I'll do tomorrow. I might have something in mind, but I'm not fully sure if I should do it. I'll look into it again. But whoever's watching, thank you for watching this stream. First stream of the summer. Should have started this earlier, a week earlier, but it is what it is. What day is it today? The 8th, Monday, right? Yeah. So yeah, I should have started this streaming a week earlier, but it is what it is. And I'll see you guys later, hopefully.